Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on the Watch Kaki channel, and today we are going to unbox this Orient limited edition in front of me here. And this watch was kindly loaned in to me by Eric of Our Boutique. Thank you very much, Our Boutique, for so generously loaning me all these watches for my videos. Without further ado, let me just slip off this outer sleeve here. And this is a pretty standard limited edition Orient box here. They've got outer sleeve and then this inner box here, and I would say it's pretty decent. So let me just flip open the cover here to reveal the watch for review today. Ta-da! And we've got one of the latest Kamasus here, Orient Kamasu, and this is an LE limited edition. I don't know how many pieces, and it has a very nice looking, very unique blue and gold combination. We've got a really nice looking sunburst here. I think this one here makes the watch looks just a bit classier than the standard production Kamasus. Alright, just really handsome looking watch over here. Let's do a quick check on the reference number. Very easy to remember. Alright, Orient reference numbers are always the easiest to remember. We've got RA-AA0815L. Okay, so very easy to remember reference number. I'm just going to call this one the LE Kamasu Gen 2. And now let's have a closer look at the watch with all the boxes and packaging out of the way. Again, really handsome looking watch here. I would say it's a totally different look from the previous Kamasus because of all the gold accents here and this beautiful sunburst looking blue dial. Alright, looks like the deep waters of the ocean. Just looks really good. Alright. Overall, the watch is still a very bone stock Kamasu. Let's see how many pieces are made for this LE. Okay, I think we have a number here. Okay, so it's limited to 2,500 pieces, and we've got, can't really get a good focus on the number here. I think this is 793 or something like that. So let me just shake the watch a little bit for the rotor to power up the watch here. Okay, so it's starting to move now. The second hand, you can see the movement is powered up, and we're going to do a really quick handset check here. 4 o'clock is good. Let's go on to 6 o'clock. Alright, everything is nice here. Handset alignment is good. Okay, so they've retained all the Kamasu design elements here. And this crown here, I would think it is a big improvement from the first gen Kamasu that I once owned. So no complaints on that. I guess Orient has really improved on the crown action on this piece. Okay, and I must tell you, I'm loving the brush finishing on the case side here. Okay, so the Gen 1 Kamasus, they have a polished case sides, and this one here has got a brush finish on the sides of the case. And I tell you, this is what makes the watch looks slightly higher in terms of aesthetics. I think this is the way to go. Quick check on the bezel action here. Nice and firm. Again, I do feel that this is an improvement on the Gen 1, so really gotta praise Orient for listening to their fans, their buyers, and then duly improving their watches. So all the bracelet and the fittings here are exactly the same, carried over from Gen 1 Kamasus. Alright, again, no complaints on such things. I think they really look good. For a watch that is not too expensive, I don't think you can demand so many things. Alright, so this one here just looks great, and pretty sure it gives a good wearability and good fit. Let me just squeeze in a really quick wrist shot here. Okay, as you can see, this one here is about 41.5 millimeters, and not a problem at all for a diver. I would say this is more or less in the sweet spot of things here. Alright, so stay tuned for the full length review on the Orient Kamasu Green and Blue Gen 2 LE. Alright, this is the Watch Kaki from Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.